thank God for my surgery because your girl has fallen back in love with her skincare routine. I rediscovered it, my love for it. So of course, now we have to buy a bunch of stuff because the skin has been skinning. And I'm like, I miss discovering K-beauty products. And I had to re-up on some of my favorites anyway. So I was like, why not do a YesStyle haul? But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chi-Chi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me wherever I am off this platform. I've been shopping with YesStyle for close to 10 years now, maybe somewhere around there. And I love it. I discovered K-beauty through my bestie. She started using a lot of K-beauty stuff, so I started using a lot of K-beauty stuff. Korean beauty and Japanese beauty, they got it on lock, okay? They will always be welcome in this household. And to me, I just feel like they work a lot better too. SPF, this is my favorite. So this is from Isntree. This is their Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel SPF. I swear by this SPF. It does go on a little bit white, but it does dry clear, okay? It dries clear, okay? And I like it, especially under my makeup as well, because it doesn't peel, but all of the products that I use don't peel. Because sometimes y'all be blaming y'all primers and y'all makeup when it's actually a skincare. All right, but this is my favorite SPF so far. I got a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna try to run through it real quick. I will probably mess up the name as I always do, but Pyunkang sounds right today. I've always been a big fan of their products. So I've always loved their Essence Toner. So this is just a re-up of it. Am I gonna unbox all of this stuff? Sure, why not? Yeah, maybe I won't unbox everything. If it's gonna be difficult like this, oh gosh. This is my favorite toner by them. It's nice, it's thick, and it hydrates my skin. So when I was at my bestie's house, months ago, she had their this moisturizer. This is their ATO Moisturizing Soothing Gel Lotion. I used it there. I bought it. Phenomenal. Great if you have oily skin. It's a gel consistency. Phenomenal. So I bought a couple of bottles of these because I just absolutely love this stuff. It's fantastic. Another re-up product is Purito. This is their calming toner. I always like a cute little calming toner. Centella always calms down the skin. This is always the first toner I've reached for, just to whatever I've done to my skin, always using this particular toner. It's old familiar. That's all it is. A little familiarity. There's nothing wrong with that. But I also did get another toner. This is from Round Lab. I hear they're very popular in Korea. And this is their Dokdo toner. It's a hydrating toner. So I live for anything hydration. If you got oily skin, you got dry skin, you got normal skin, all those skin types all need to be hydrated, okay? If you didn't know, now you know. So I wanted to just try a new hydrating toner. I'm gonna try this one in place of the Purito, just in case. You know, sometimes with me, if it ain't broke, I certainly ain't gonna fix it. So I was just like, let's try it just to see how I like it. This is a fun little product. This is from Dr. Althea. This is their Aqua Marine Jelly Mist, okay? I wanted to get at least something like interesting, like, oh, that's weird. So this, you see, it looks like a gel, right? But when you spray it, it comes out like a mist. This is kind of almost the equivalent of the foaming hand washes, where it's like, okay, there's liquid at the bottom, how does it foam? So I just thought this was crazy, and I think you can open this up, and it's literally gel consistency. This one baffled my mind, so I just was like, don't know. But I'm interested. I was going to use this for skin prep under makeup. I wanted to see how this performs. I don't know. This just mystified me. So It's a mist, so I wanted to try it. Speaking of skin prep, I got YUNJAC. This is their Skin Perfecting Protective Base Prep. This is what all the K-beauty pop divas and divos are using under their makeup. So I was like, it's basically a primer. So I wanted to test this out and see how this is. Ooh, it's a gel. It's very scented though. I like the scent, but hopefully that doesn't irritate my face. It's going down. It's going down. Okay. I think I could work with it. But basically, you know how they be having that glass skin under, like, with their makeup? You can already see the radiance. You know what? I think I'm gonna like that. So even though I don't wear a lot of makeup in the summertime, I still wanted to test this out because this will be good in the wintertime. I still want that young and youthful dew to my face. Okay, I've grown. Okay, I've left the matte life behind me, and I do prefer a natural vibe. By far, the brand that I picked up the most from was VT Cosmetics. Again, the bestie put me onto it, and I was like, I'm digging it. I was using the Reedle Shot 300, and I loved it. So I ended up getting the Reedle Shot 300, their moisturizer, like a balm. I bought a bunch of stuff, and I was just like, oh, I really like this setup. So I re-upped on their PDRN capsule creams. They're like the little boba joints or whatever. I'm not gonna open this up yet. Actually, I'm lying. I can open this up because my other one is running out. I forgot. See? So they're not boba, but I like to call them boba beads. See how the capsules are like little beads? They are not actually little beads. However, they pump it into here. It looks like beads, but it's all like liquidy. Well, not liquidy, but it's a cream, girl. But I really enjoyed this moisturizer a lot, especially in combination with, you know, their essence and all the stuff. When I do my Reedle shot, oh baby, when I wake up the next day, I'm like, wow, she's all smooth. So that got me interested in more of their Reedle shots. They have a whole line of Reedle shots. So I decided to get the Reti-A Reedle shot, which is for retinol. And then I got the Collagen Reedle shot, which collagen, I know, like, topically, I think it really doesn't do much, but I like to believe it, so that's what I'm gonna believe. I got them both in 300s. They do sting, okay? There are little spicules in there that penetrate, kind of almost like a micro needling effect, and it just allows your skincare to soak in a little bit deeper. So I haven't tried the Reedle one yet. I did try the collagen one. I tried the collagen 100, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go to 300. Call it a day. Don't be like me, kids. All right. So I also wanted to try some of their eye creams. So I'm not really satisfied with my daytime eye cream. So I was like, let's give this one a little bit of a whirl. So I got the Vita-Light eye cream, which is vitamin C, and the lifting eye cream, which I was going to use at night. So I was like, yeah, I really wanted something for the daytime. And this is what it looks like. It's got a... Oh! Did that just vibrate? It vibrates! Shut the fuck up. See, this is why I'm always gonna go overseas. It vibrates. You hear it? Hold on. Shut up. That's so cool. I didn't know it vibrated. Oh, cool. Does the other one vibrate too? Sorry, I gotta be like a little kid right now. That was so cool. I didn't see any, well, most of the stuff on YesStyle is in Korean, and I don't speak Korean, so, or read it. It vibrates. Oh, cool. I can't put it, I'm not gonna put it on my face because my face has got makeup on. Okay, I gotta report back. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, for somebody who doesn't believe collagen does that much, I definitely picked up a lot of collagen things. So from Abib, I got their lifting collagen wrapping mask. I have one from Meta Health and I really enjoy it. So I wanted to try this brand. And I also got their PDRN collagen overnight mask. So what I saw somebody do, right? They put this mask on, right? Let it sit, and then they wrapped it in this. Now, I feel like that's not a good idea if you get fungal acne. Avoid this. But I feel like the combination, I just want to try it for the one time. Okay? I just want to see, like, the results. Like, how would I wake up? There's a piece of hair in my face, but I want it to be, you know, cute. From, I don't even know what this brand, SUNGBOON Editor. I got this deep collagen boosting cream in serum. It's this little serum that I was like, okay. Again, I think what it is for me, collagen, I use it more so as a deeply moisturizing treatment. So I got this. Oh, hold on now. Oh, okay. Child, I thought somebody used it all up. I got to shake it. Okay, so it's cute. It's a serum. So I got that. And then this one seemed really cool. This is their Silk Peptide Intensive Lifting Ampoule. Right? Don't ask me what any of that means, okay? Because do your research. I'm just buying the shit. Right? So look at this. It's not it being a vial, and there's like gold silks in here, and it's got like and you don't inject yourself, but at least I don't think so. I think this is just very performative, but I thought this was interesting. It's not an actual needle though. They're trying to give you the experience of Botox and lifting. I'm not a part of their marketing team, okay? But I was like, oh, that seems pretty cool. So it's for anti-wrinkle firming and brightening. Everything that I would like. I would like to preserve this 41-year-old face, okay? Okay? She's looking in her 30s because that's skincare, all right? And so I got those two to use together. And then back with the toner, I got the Genabelle PDRN Rejuvenating Toner. Last time I was at my friend's house, she had this, and I was like, oh man, I was interested in this. I tried it while I was at her house. I enjoyed it. I took a little something in. I literally stole some, but this is the toner. I was like, oh, this would be great for in the morning. I like instant gratification sometimes when it comes to skincare. This gave me that instant like gratification. Like I used it at night, and when I woke up, I would use this and the lotion. Mama, I was feeling myself. I was like, yeah, we're gonna buy that. That's fabulous. And then it wouldn't be a haul if you didn't get toner pads. Now I used to use toner pads before they became popular. So I got the medicube ones, and this is AHA, BHA, all the exfoliating properties. I am going to use this like for my face, but I'm also going to use it for her, like inner thighs and stuff like that. So just to make sure, because you know that's also your skin, right? So I got those, and then I got the Kojic Acid Turmeric Pads. And I really wanted this one for under my arms. Like, I've been trying to lighten my underarms. They're doing pretty well, but I was like, this is just so much easier. So I can just, you know, hit the pits and the privates and lighten up those areas. So yeah, I wanted to give that a whirl because summer is coming. And I want to be prepared because I told you I'm going to be outside in these streets. And when I lift my arms and doing all the hoopla that I'm going to be doing, I want my pits to be all nice and, you know, smooth and even toned. So that was my entire haul. check out some of my other videos and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.